Okay, let's take a look to the example here. We have two unit operation here, and then we also have another at the mixing. Okay, we need to determine the flow rate and composition. So we just denote here as M1. This is M2 and M3. So maybe this is your unit operation A, and maybe this is your B. And then to start this, we perform the DOF. So always start with your degree of freedom. So example, DOF for A, unknown. We have. So this is turned to I, A, as a 1, as 1B. And then we have as 2A, as 2B, 3A, as 3B. So for DOF here, we have 3 unknowns minus the balance. We have 2 balance, right? And then what is the information given? So we're gonna have unknowns, or for A, we have 2 unknowns because this equal to 1 minus x1A. So unknowns here we have 2. So this is we have 2 here, so it turns to 0. How about here? Maybe we can put as B here, and this is your C. So this is your C. We have A, B, and C. Okay, we can perform the DOF here. So we have unknown. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unknowns, right? 1, 2, and 1, and 2, S1A, S2, S2A, and then minus the balance. So we have 2, A and B. So it turns to 2. So cannot be solved, or we need to solve the part A first and perform DOF for C. Okay, unknown. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance. We have 2. Then, so we need to start with A first. Okay, for A, for unit operation A, so we start with the overall balance. We have 100, so input and output 100 equal to 40 plus M1 plus M1. So you can determine your M1, and then after that you need to perform the component balance. So M1 equal to, and then after that you may proceed with the component balance of maybe for A, and then you can have your 100. So I will not try to solve it one by one. I just share to you the procedure, and you may try by your own. Okay, 40, 0.9. So we have M1 here. You can have your S1A, right? Because we have the M1, you can have S1A and also S1B once you determine your S1A here. Okay, so maybe you can try it later. So we may move to the balance for B. So to perform the balance at B, okay, this one is already determined. Same goes here. So you may calculate the M2 first, right? Because you have input equal to M2. And then you can get your 2A, 2B. Okay, so for B, the step is perform the overall balance. So you have M2 here, M1 plus 30 equal to M2. So you can determine your M2, right? Okay, try to fill this and then you may proceed with the component balance of A. Example, you may also start with B as well. So M1, so you have for the M1, you already calculate using the IA here previously, and then 30, the A here, 0.3 equal to M2 using this value that you have calculated, and you can find your 2A. Finally, your 2A here. Then after that, you can determine your 2B, right? As a 2B. So the last is perform the balance at C. So start with the overall balance. For the overall balance, we have input equal to output. So M2 equal to 30 plus M3. M2 equal to 30 plus M3. Then you can get the M3 and then from the component balance of A here. So we have M2 as 2A equal to 30. Okay, it's given, right? 0.6 plus M3 as 3A. And then you can get the 3A equal to, and then as 3B equal to minus X3A. So this is how you solve the balance.